Have you ever pondered what might happen if you included ginger in your daily diet? Imagine unlocking a treasure trove of health benefits with just a pinch of this spicy root. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into the many health benefits of this miracle root. Ginger, a common ingredient in many kitchens, holds a multitude of health benefits. It's not just a spice that adds a zing to your dishes, it's a powerhouse of wellness. Let's dive into the first four of these amazing benefits. First up, ginger is a champ when it comes to aiding digestion. It fires up your digestive juices and helps break down food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Second, it's a trusted ally against nausea. Whether it's morning sickness or motion sickness, a little ginger can go a long way. Third, when it comes to fighting the flu and common cold, ginger is your natural warrior. Its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects help boost your immune system. And fourth, feeling some muscle pain after a workout? Ginger to the rescue. It's known for reducing muscle pain and soreness, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. But wait, the benefits of ginger don't stop there. Beyond being a flavorful addition to your meals, ginger serves as a potent health booster. Let's delve into more of its remarkable benefits. First, ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It contains compounds called gingerols, which help in reducing inflammation and discomfort in the body. So, if you're dealing with aches or pains, a little ginger might be just what you need. Next, ginger can help lower blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factors. It does this by increasing insulin sensitivity, which leads to better blood sugar control. This makes it a great ally for those trying to manage or prevent diabetes. Lastly, ginger can treat chronic indigestion. It speeds up the emptying of the stomach, reducing the likelihood of discomfort and bloating. It's a natural remedy that can help you feel better after a heavy meal. Incredible, isn't it? But there's still more to discover about this wonder root. As we delve further into the world of ginger, two more surprising health benefits come to light. The first of these is how ginger can help reduce menstrual pain. You see, ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. These gingerols can act on the body in a similar way as some painkillers, reducing the intensity of the pain associated with menstrual cramps. One could say, ginger is nature's very own remedy for this often debilitating monthly ordeal. Moving on to the next benefit, we find that ginger can also play a significant role in lowering cholesterol levels. Cholesterol, as many of you may know, is a fatty substance that's found in your blood. Too much of it can increase your risk of heart disease. Ginger, with its potent antioxidant properties, can help combat this. It's been found to lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol, while simultaneously raising HDL, or the good cholesterol. What's more, these are just a few examples of the myriad of health benefits ginger has to offer. From acting as a digestive aid to combating nausea and inflammation, and now reducing menstrual pain and lowering cholesterol levels, ginger is a powerhouse of health benefits. So, we see that this humble root is indeed a treasure trove of health benefits. The benefits of ginger are truly astounding, and the best part is, you can start enjoying them today. Imagine elevating your dishes with a sprightly zing while reaping a whole host of health benefits. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? Incorporating ginger into your daily diet can be as simple as grating a small piece into your morning smoothie or sprinkling some into your evening cup of tea. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even want to try adding a bit of fresh ginger to your salad dressings or stir-fries. Just remember, while ginger packs a powerful health punch, it's important to consume it in moderation. It's all about balance, after all. By making small changes like these, you'll not only be adding an extra layer of flavor to your meals, but also taking a significant step towards better health. And isn't that something we all strive for? So what are you waiting for? Start adding a dash of ginger to your meals and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and secrets. Stay healthy, stay happy.